Watching the colors being layered into a cup for a dirty pour is so satisfying. You never know what the result's gonna be when you pour the paint onto the canvas. It's so satisfying. Check out today's painting, guys. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm working on another 10 by 20 inch gala wrap canvas, and I'm just using some blues today, a mixture of blues and white and of course gold. So I will be listing the colors I'm using in the description box below. You guys can always go ahead and check that out. All right guys, no silicone oil in today's painting, no satin enamel, nothing like that. If there's a salve that appear, it's all based on the colors itself, the paint mixing together itself, and of course you guys know about the density of the paint that creates all these beautiful cells. So I want to do a dirty pour, and I want to just create something magnificent. I do hope to inspire someone. I hope you love it. Hope you love the colors. Of course, the colors are just amazing. So do check out the entire video, guys, all the way to the end. I will be showing you the dried result. And of course, if you do enjoy this content, please give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified each time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for being here, and do enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. Let's check it out, the close-up of the wet result. I am so in love. I know I say this all the time in pretty much all my videos because like I always say, guys, if I don't like my painting, if I don't like the way it turned out, it will not reach on YouTube. I know I'm hard on myself sometimes, but I'm excited about this one and I really want to show you guys the colors. That blue is a bright blue by Folk Art and it's just amazing. I do love how we create those boulders and how it's stretching across the other, all the way to the other side of the canvas, smaller boulders. It's just beautiful. It's like flying rocks all over, right? Blue rocks. According to my daughter, she said this looks like a beautiful crashing of waves. I'm yet to see that. I'm gonna turn it to another way so you guys can tell me what you see in the painting. I'm loving the colors. Oh my goodness, my gold, it kind of died out a bit. It just faded, but I do love that line that appears with the gold. And that dark area, it's a custom mixed navy blue that I mixed for this painting, and I'm just loving it, guys. It's so amazing. I love that blue. I'm glad I kept it. I was so worried about when I was stretching it. I'm like, I should have stretched that part off, but I'm happy because it shows a transition. It shows from the bigger the size of the boulders and how it got smaller right across the canvas. I'm happy with this one. This one is a definite keep. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited, you guys. And I do hope you guys can share in the comment section what you do see in this painting. And of course, do check out the dried result coming up. Here it is, the dried finished result. Well, I shouldn't really say it's done, but there is no resin or varnish on this yet, so it's yet to be finished. But this is a dried result and I decided to put it this way. I'm loving it. I turn the canvas different angles. I'm trying to find what I can see in it, but for me it sits well this way. Let me know what you guys think, but I am loving it. I can actually see a female face in there somehow. I'm seeing all kind of images in here, guys, but for me the biggest part is that blue boulders blowing across the entire canvas, and this is so clean. I do love deep edge canvas. I do love seeing the edges well clean and just a part of this art. So I do hope you guys leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you feel about this. The dirty pour is just amazing. The fluid art is amazing. Acrylic pour painting is just amazing, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this one and do leave me a comment in the comment section. Check out my playlist, you guys, and I will see you next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.